Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Carolyn here for another cash stuffing. Jumping right in, I'm gonna do a quick count for the cash and we'll jump right in. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So we have $531 for this week for our cash stuffing. Move this over just a little bit and make sure we're in frame. Unstuff our wallet. I spent everything this week pretty much. I have some ones left, just a little bit of change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones that will go to the $1 POW savings challenge, whatever you want to call it. I don't want to call it a savings challenge, but to my $1. And I have some change in a broken envelope bag here. I had to replenish my envelopes, so I'm going to be doing that really soon. I just have not placed the order. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, what color scheme I want to go with, and what I actually want to change. So for now, we're just going to use what we have until I decide. So I don't have much change back here. Put this over. I'm just gonna dump that in the change jar. So my cash envelopes are getting the usual amounts. Groceries is getting 50, 20, 40, 50. Household is getting 25, so 25. And my personal envelope will be getting 75. And even my stickers are getting so like ready. So I need to get some new envelopes and make some labels and just make everything look pretty again. 20, 40, 60, 75. Oh, my kids are being really loud right now. All right, that's gonna do it for my cash envelope. Next up is my sinking fund savings challenges, a little bit of everything here. We'll get everything separated soon enough, but for now, we're just rolling with this. Marcus is getting 5, and his envelope is broken as well. Everything is a mess. Oh my goodness. But that's okay. They'll still serve their purpose. Marcus has 150, 560, 570, $170. I'll go in and update my spreadsheet afterwards because it is on my right hand side and I don't have room on the left. I don't think I do. Let me see if I can make it work. Oh yeah, I can make it work. I'll be fine over here. It's not too much room, but I'll make it work. This bag can't see. Let's see. Yes, that looks a little bit better. Okay, I'll be getting 5 as well. And I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, $65. Marcus Jr. is getting $25. And he has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53. 153. Trying to get him set up for his birthday. Makai is getting 5. And he has 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 160. How's everyone doing this week? Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm kind of speeding through this as I'm on the way to the park with my little kids. I like to go before it gets too crowded. It's almost 10:30. Everyone's had breakfast, and so we're gonna head out to the park to burn some energy off before nap time. Mikhail is getting $5. And he has 100, 200, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 255. Madeline is getting $20. She has 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 85. Clothes, aka back to school, is getting $79. So 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Such a random, this is such a random amount. So in clothes and back to school, whatever you want to call it, we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. 426. The emergency fund gets a 10. And we have 1,000, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. 1,170. Christmas is getting $14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 1,050, 70, 80, 90, 1,100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. 11, 23. Gifts is getting $36. And so we now have 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 189 in gifts. Which is perfect. Senior year is getting $10. So we now have 500, 600, 50, 70, 90, 710, 30, 500, 650, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. 777, 777. Our snowball is getting 125, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 5. So for our snowball, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 60, 65, 70, 170. And that amount is gonna go to my Discover card on top of my minimum payment. So I'm gonna put that back here, and we'll be starting over fresh next week. Family Fun is getting $5. I put it in an envelope and I'll have to make a label. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 5, 10, 15. 115 for Family Fun. And finally my 100 envelope, which I just filmed me unboxing my 100 envelope and just transferring it and condensing it over here so that I can put the money into the bank. So I might hit another $100, so I'll put another placeholder in here. That way I can just not have to make another run to the bank, because I'm not sure the next time I'll need to do a condensing. So yeah, we have 1,500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 620, 625, 26, 27, 28, and 29. 1,629. And I'll put 25, 26, 27, 29, 50, 70, 90, 100. Let's see if I got a 100 placeholder. And I do. So this will go back to the bank as well. I'll put that with the money from my unstuffing, because I do still have it. And that's 1,500, 620, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29, 16, 29. Perfect. All right, that is going to do it for me today, guys. I will be back next week as per usual for another cash stuffing, either Saturday or Sunday. I am working on being more consistent on my schedule, but it's not always possible. So until next week, I hope you all stay safe out there, guys.